Zabona mawufika uma-affairs uyofuna i-death certificate unganakwa unehawu lo.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Nihao is suing the ANC and its KZN Provincial Secretary Bheki Mtolo for 2 million rand. This is after Mtolo publicly claimed in Kokstad that the COSATU affiliated labor union is behind the poor services that the citizens receive in several government departments like your Home Affairs, your SASSA, your Department of Labor. The union has already filed the massive lawsuits with the Pietermaritzburg High Court.
Mazi ukuthi organizer unehawu abantu bakanehawu baka Home Affairs. Imajority moya ka Home Affairs abona mawufika Home Affairs uyofuna i-death certificate unganakwa unehawu lo. Umoya ka Home Affairs uyofuna i-birth unganakwa unehawu lo. Umoya kwa SASSA unyevulelwa unehawu lo unyevulelayo. Uma ngabe usebenza eplazini umlungu engakubhadala minimum wage umuntu owulabor inspector ofika ngayi kuwena ahlangane nomlungu adla ibhusha lomlungu aphuma ahambe amesathi umlungu babhadala kahle abasebenza emaplazini leyo inspector ekanehawu. Now while bethi bayabazonda belungu kodwa yonke into abayenzayo isurvivor belungu. Then umoya kwa SASSA ibona Home Affairs ibona esibhedlela ibona. Uma ngabantu delay ukuthi isibhedlela iambulance ayifiki umuntu osuke delay nokudriver let ambulance kunina unehawu lo. That's nehawu. Now ANC izondelwa into eyodwa. Izondelwa into eyodwa iANC ukuthi ayifuni ukuqhubeka kube nabantu abasebenzayo kuhulumeni kodwa bafuna ukuthi kuseve bona kuphela kungaseva umphakathi. Ngoba thina sonke simapoliticians
uthini uMtolo uthi uMtolo abantu bakanehawu bahlangana nabelungu badla amakhusha wena elakho icala liphele emoyeni. Something is wrong with Bheki Mtolo, honestly. Something is not right. Guys, please do comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one.